So I built this project as my college mini project, and I thought I had a project. Let's try to explain next to you. So this is a simple project I've created to understand the core idea of creating this entire project to understand and implement RAG, implement vector database, how it works. So this is the code look like, but I'm not going to jump into a code. Let me just take you through my application. How does it look like? So this is my application. Let me just do the full screen. So here you can able to upload your documents. After uploading, I extract the detail from the document through OCR and save into our vector database through a vector data point. So you can see I've just uploaded multiple documents here, and here the data points has been created. You can see the visual simulator here. If I zoom, like, wait a minute, let me just zoom a bit. You can see here I've added like one data point that I've added, and you can see the details of that file. And after that, I've just query with LLM. Here I connected the model of Gemini's Flash 2.5. So once I query over my LLM, what it does, it scans through my database, extract about, like I've asked here about who is Sumit. So it scanned through each data point which has the word of Sumit. So all three has a point, and all three has a word named Sumit. So it's extract details through each of this data point and can combine it with the prompt and send it to a LLM. So you can see I've extracted data from my vector database, and I mixed with my prompt and mixed with what I've queried, and it is sent it to LLM. Work through each of this point and understand what user actually needed and how can I respond him, and this is what the AI answer that I get. So the core idea of creating the project to understand and implement RAG and vector databases, and I've presented this project to college, but college's genius teacher was not much that interested into my project. They were like, how would you add analytics into this project and here and there? I was like, what the hell, I've just created as a part of fun, but they were not responding to me. There is one problem, I cannot able to query that because here you can see the connection has been blocked because my API key from the Google has been blocked because I've just created few months before. I think it's been a 1 month that I've created project. Now the API key has been blocked, it's offline, it's saying, yeah. But this is what the simple project that I've created, and this is the simple trial I've just tried to explain next to you. Let's see, I'm going to explain few more projects, but this project I've created, I have an idea. I got this idea from the one guy from YouTube called Pratyush, and from that I got idea, and I've just created this project through Google AI Studio. But the problem isn't about I implemented multiple features, but the problem is about if anything happened. Here I can see the network latency problem. I don't know what is happening on the backend. I know some sort of backend, but I never scrutinize all back